Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. If you are new, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. What we are going to do today is going to be some bleached Halloween t-shirts. This got kind of popular a little bit last year, and I wanted to go ahead and do some Halloween shirts, and I really thought this image was so cute. I did get that one from Etsy, and then this one as well. I also got it from Etsy. It's just a little pumpkin, but I did bleach and sublimate these shirts, and I absolutely love how they turned out. They're super cute. I will leave everything I used in the link down in the description down below. It'll be linked in the description down below, so check that out if you want to see any of the materials that I used. But this is what we're doing today. I'm not going to show you how I printed these. I printed these on Silhouette Studio with my Epson 8500. Okay, so that's how I got the image that size. I printed on Silhouette Studio. You can print from basically any other software bigger other than Cricut to get it a bigger sublimation image, as long as you have the printer that will you know, be compatible with that. Okay, but I'm not going to show you how I printed, but I did just download these from Etsy, upload them to Silhouette Studio, and then I printed from there. Okay, so we're going to get into these shirts. So yeah, if you want to learn how to do the bleach, and I sublimated first. So I did sublimation first, and then I bleached is the method that I'm doing today. So if you want to learn how to do that, go ahead and stick around. Alright guys, so I have my image printed out here. We're going to go ahead and get our shirt ready while we're waiting for the heat press to heat up all the way. So this is a Gilded Soft Style, which is the heather color. It's orange, and this is 65% polyester, 35% cotton. Okay, and then what I'm going to do to prep this is, there's a string. I'm going to go ahead and cut this string. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and fold it in half. And this is just to help me get the center. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and press that for about 10 seconds. I am using the HTV Ron Auto Press, which is a 15 by 15. If you want to know more information about this heat press, definitely check out the other material on my channel. I do have a couple videos and reviews and demos about this heat press. But I have it set to 385 degrees, and we're going to press for 60 seconds. Okay, so now I have the middle of my shirt, so I'm going to go ahead and lay it out. I am going to use a Teflon pressing pillow on the inside of my shirt, just to ensure that our shirt gets the correct amount of pressure all over. So I will try to remember to leave a link for this down below. I did get it from Amazon in a pack of like 3. And then I'm going to go ahead and lint roll really good. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and give this another quick 10-second press. Just to make sure we have all the moisture out of the top of the shirt, which is where our image is going to go. My heat press is only at 365. And I need it at 385, so I'm going to wait for this to finish heating up to 385, and then I'm going to come back and we'll press our image. Okay, so we're up to 385 degrees on our press. Here is the image I'm going to be using. I did get this from Etsy. It's just a cute little Halloween image. And I'm going to go ahead and place this face down on my shirt. And then I'm going to put 2 pieces of tape on either side, just because I don't want any ghosting. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this with a piece of butcher paper. And then we're going to go ahead and press. And I will leave everything I use down below. So I do have A-Sub paper with the hypo ink. I'll leave a link for everything. I did get it from Amazon, as well as the butcher paper. I'll leave a link for that as well down below. And then the shirts I got from Jiffy, which, like I said, the reason I keep saying the heather color is because it's easier to bleach these colors. If you look at them, like, you can tell this isn't like a solid orange. I'm not really sure like how they get the effect of it, but the heather colors, you can tell they're not like solid. It's kind of like almost mixed between an orange and a white together, instead of it just being solid orange. So that really does make a difference when you're trying to bleach the shirts. I have tried to bleach the solid like Gildan shirts, and they just didn't pull all the way white when I used those ones versus using these ones. They got lighter, but they didn't get, like, the bleached parts didn't turn all the way white. And my butcher paper is stuck to my plate. There it is. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tape. And that looks super cute. And I'm just gonna bleach like around it. So because this is not white and because it's only 65% polyester, the image isn't going to be as bright as it would be if this was a white shirt. Okay, so you do still get a very vibrant image. It's just not like, you can't compare this to white, obviously a white shirt with 100% polyester, but these feel better. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead. This is a piece of cardboard, a really thick piece of cardboard I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my shirt on here. If you don't want the bleach spots to go through the shirt, then you do have to put something in between it, inside the shirt. If you don't care then about bleach getting through to the other side, then you don't have to do this. It's really your preference. Okay, so I'm going to spread it out so that I can see it and really just, you know, kind of design it the way I want. Okay, so here's the shirt here. And then, can you guys see that? Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically take my bleach and I'm going to go around the image just to give it kind of like that white border that you would have if I would have bleached this whole spot. And I just have my bleach like in a little wine cup here, nothing serious, with a little brush, a little paintbrush. And basically all I'm going to do is I'm just going around the edge of the design. With my paintbrush, that's all I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up because this is all I'm doing, but you guys can still watch and I will come back when we're all done. Okay guys, so it's been about 20 minutes, and as you can see, it is starting to kind of change around. I'm just trying to get closer. It's starting to change around the image and get white. Now the other one that I have is a lot whiter than this, so I'm just going to keep letting it do its thing. Some of like the little drops here, I'm just kind of pushing them in so that the actual drops soak into the shirt. But I'm just going to keep letting it do its thing because I want it to be whiter than this. The pink one that I did got way whiter than this. So, and it's been sitting. I'm just going to let it do its thing. And then we're going to come back. And once it's pretty much to the white that I want it to be and it's lifted as much as I wanted it to, we're going to come back and we're going to talk about what you would do. So this is for me. I make crafts for myself. I don't sell these. But if you wanted to sell something like this, I would definitely suggest washing it first. Some people use hydrogen peroxide to stop the bleaching process. Some don't, and they just wash it. It's really your preference in how you want to present it to your customers. But we're going to come back and talk about it, about both shirts when it's done. So I'm just going to let this do its thing basically, and we're going to come back when it's lifted to the white that I want it to be. Alright guys, so here's the final result of the shirts. It has pretty much lifted as much as it's going to. I really like how it looks. I love it. And then here is the pink one that I did for TikTok. I mean for Instagram. I absolutely love this one too. Now, like I said, what a lot of people tend to do is they may use hydrogen peroxide. Like if they can't get to a washer and dryer immediately, they will use hydrogen peroxide to stop the bleaching. Or for me, I'm at my office and I'm about to leave and go home. I'm just going to throw these in the washer and wash them like normal. That's all I'm going to do. If you were going to sell these, I would definitely make sure that I use, you know, fragrant-free, hypoallergenic, or just talk to your customer and ask them what they use. If they prefer that you wash it, they wash it. You know, just stay in communication with them and let them know that these shirts are bleached, you know, just so you cover your butt. But yeah, I think that these turned out so cute. I absolutely love these bleached Halloween shirts. The look of them, they're so cute. But that's all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I definitely appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and join my Facebook group. All of my materials and everything will be linked down below, so check that out if you have any questions. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye.